Let's see how we can download songs from Spotify on your computer or on your phone, Android, iOS. Let's go. Now, this is Spotify. I'm not signed in on Spotify right now, so we can actually do it without signing in or having an account. I'm just gonna look for one of these people. I'm just gonna say Rihanna, Chris Brown. Let's try Chris Brown, right? So once we go to Chris Brown, so we're just gonna go to any of his song. I'm gonna pick the first one here and click on the three dot right here. Then go to share, and you see copy song link. So click on this. That is the one you need. Then you come to this place, which is spotifydown.com. It's actually spotifydown.com. Spotifydown.com. So once you get here, so you come here and paste the link right here and click download. So once you do it one time, you have your song right here. So let's click on download to see if it's going to work. Okay, now download other songs, download MP3. I'll click on download MP3. So here we go right here, spotifydown.com under influence, which is Chris Brown. But I'm not going to be able to play this because I don't want to have a copyright strike on my channel. So this is it. So let's see if we can, under the influence, which is Chris Brown, right? I'm just gonna come back here. Under the influence, Chris Brown. So there you go. There you go. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe. More videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.